What's up, friends? Today I want to show you something super cool, Marvel Mystery Oil. This stuff is amazing. You put it right directly into your gasoline, you run it, it's great because what it's going to do, it's going to increase compression, give you a little bit more power, it's going to reduce emissions, which is super great because, we want to do that, save the earth and all that cool stuff, right? Very important. It's also great for lubricating things like your upper engine and everything like that. It's going to go through, it's going to get burnt up with your fuel, it's going to clean things, it's going to lubricate it, and it's going to be super great. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't want to use it. Me personally, I do use it. I'm excited. I want you to try it. 1AAuto.com. This one's mine. Get your own.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.